Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you in a very smart way how to deal with PTE listening multiple choice questions with single option. Okay, PTE is becoming more popular, it's gaining more popularity and it's an easy choice, easier than IELTS. That's why now students are moving to PTE and I have moved to PTE as well. Now I've got two children, one is IELTS and one is PTE. PTE is my new child and IELTS is the grown-up child, okay? But don't worry, PTE will grow as it is growing. It has grown a lot and now it is looking into the eyes of IELTS like this, okay? All right. Now let's discuss. The first and most important thing is read the question carefully. Instructions they give you, you got to read them carefully. You've got to read the question carefully, whatever the question is, whatever the options are, you have to just do that. Next, you need to preview answer choices. Now, these answer choices are basically the options. How many options they have given you? Option A, option B, option C. Some options will cover only one part, one sentence of the whole audio. And some options will cover everything. So you need to see an option which is more like an umbrella that covers more, okay? Listen attentively. Now, in order to listen attentively, it's a good idea that you are going to imagine whatever you listen. It's a good idea to recall those words. Or the best thing is if you convert words into images, you can understand everything. How to do that? Very simple. Beautiful white cat. Imagine. You can imagine that. Now, imagine a beautiful red cat. See, you can imagine. Now, imagine a beautiful black bear. Right? So, you can imagine that, right? So, once you imagine whatever you listen, your retention, your memory will retain that information. That information will be stored in your memory and you can reproduce that whenever you need that. So, it's another good tip. Listen attentively. Next, eliminate incorrect options. In multiple choice, there are 3, 4, 5 options, right? So you need to eliminate the wrong choices. And if you listen to the audio, the wrong answer will tell you, I am not right. I am Mr. Wrong. So you need to eliminate that. Come what may, C cannot be the answer. Now I have to decide between A and B, what is the right answer. So this elimination is the best technique. And finally, as per your knowledge, your understanding, after recalling all the things you heard, after all the visuals you had during the audio, you need to choose the best answer as per your understanding. And whenever you practice on any PTE app, and by chance, if you select the wrong answer, now you need to investigate why my answer is wrong, what is the right answer, where is the right answer in the audio. You can do a lot of investigation like that, and this will also improve your score. Let me tell you, in the form of PTE, you guys have another opportunity. Those who were unable to do IELTS, those who are not capable for IELTS because the level of difficulty in IELTS is great and PTE is just like a piece of cake in front of IELTS. PTE is just like a baby in front of IELTS in terms of difficulty level, right? So you need to focus, and this is another opportunity. Pay full attention so that you get your desired score in PTE. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck with your PTE preparation. I also teach PTE live online and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my PTE live online classes or live in-campus classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.